Welcome viewer, this video tutorial describes, fix Windows 11, 10 0xc000012d error when starting an application. First method is type View Advanced System Settings in Windows search bar, click View Advanced System Settings. Change custom size. Second method is right-click Application, click Properties, click Compatibility tab. Click Change Settings for all users. I hope this tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe our channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.